Tracker tutorial. 16 forecast products, 3 products out to 15 days, 13 products out to 48 hours. Customizable thresholds, threshold alerts shown in an all-encompassing matrix. Disease tracker, report and track grass diseases from all over the country. High-resolution radar with lightning data, severe weather outlooks from the Storm Prediction Center, and the National Weather Service hazards map. Products included on the weather dashboard. A geolocated radar with tabs for zooming capabilities, looping capabilities, watches and warnings, local temperatures, wind speed and direction, storm reports, storm direction, and 10-second high-res lightning data. Storm Prediction Center convective outlooks, days 1 and 2 severe weather outlooks. National Weather Service hazards map, up to the hour watches and warnings. Products included on the QuickCast. Growing Degree Day Tracker, 15-day modeled forecast, also tracks observed growing degree days. Bases at 55 and 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Customizable thresholds available. The black vertical bars distinguish between recorded and forecasted growing degree days. The red horizontal line indicates the set threshold. The red vertical line indicates dates where growing degree day threshold is reached. Forecasted threshold dates provided in the top right corner of the plots. Light quality. 15-day modeled forecast. Forecasted amount of light that reaches the ground, measured in percentage of sunshine minutes per day over 120 watts per meter squared. Forecasted 2-meter temperature. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Maximum and minimum 24-hour temperatures recorded in the top right corner of the plot. Forecasted 2-meter temperature and dew point. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Maximum and minimum dew point over the next 24 hours recorded in the top right corner of the plot. Forecasted precipitation rate. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Hourly rain rate in inches per hour. 24 and 48-hour total precipitation recorded in the top right corner of the plot. Forecasted wind speed and direction. 48-hour high-resolution forecast, hourly wind speed forecast, hourly wind direction forecast. Forecasted wind gust and direction. 48-hour high-resolution forecast, customizable thresholds available, maximum wind gust per hour, hourly wind direction forecasts. Forecasted visibility inside of 5 miles. 48-hour high-resolution forecast, customizable thresholds available, and forecast all the way down to 0.0 miles visibility. Forecasted cloud cover percentage. 48-hour high-resolution forecast, percentage of cloud cover with 0% being a fully clear sky. Products included in the threat status. The threat matrix overview. Customizable thresholds, 48-hour alerts for several products shown on this matrix. Alerts will show on the matrix when your set threshold is reached for each variable. The variables included on the matrix are evapotranspiration rate, solar radiation, soil temperature, soil moisture, leaf wetness, frost, wind gusts, and visibility. Turfgrass evapotranspiration rate, or ET rate. 48-hour high-resolution forecast, customizable thresholds available, measures hourly rates, measures daily accumulation, records and presents the previous 48-hour ET rates. The 24 and 48-hour total ET rate forecasts are presented, all in the top right corner of the plot. Incoming solar radiation. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Customizable thresholds available. Solar radiation is measured in watts per meter squared and is distinguished from light quality and forecasted cloud cover percentage. Solar radiation takes into account 3 different cloud heights: low, medium, and high, as well as several other variables. Forecasted soil temperature. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Customizable thresholds available. Forecasted at a depth of 10 centimeters. Forecasted soil moisture. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Customizable thresholds available. Forecasted at a depth of 10 centimeters. Leaf wetness, or plant canopy moisture. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Customizable thresholds available. Maximum consecutive hours of leaf wetness recorded, and total hours of leaf wetness recorded and presented in the top right corner of the plot. Frost formation probability. 48-hour high-resolution forecast. Customizable thresholds available. Frost formation time and dissipation time forecasted and presented in the top right corner of the plot. All plots with red lines indicate the threshold set for each individual variable. Reporting a disease. Disease tracker. Report your approximate location. If you want to keep your golf course anonymous, your zip code is fine. Record what disease or diseases your course or location currently has. Any additional information you would like to share with the superintendent community can be posted in the additional information section. If you have any questions, please go to the User Profile tab. Click Contact Us on the drop-down menu. Fill out the fields, and we will respond to your inquiry as quickly as possible. Thank you for choosing T3 to tackle your tough, weather-based decisions on your golf course.